Following Monday's massive 7.8 magnitude earthquake, at least over 1,000 people have been reported dead in Turkey and Syria. According to Syrian state TV, at least 600 people have died in Syria, including 500 in Aleppo, Hama, Latakia, and Tartus. The White Helmets organization, officially known as the Syria Civil Defense, also reported at least 147 deaths in opposition-held areas of northwestern Syria. Hundreds more people had been injured as a result of the earthquake, with 648 injured in Aleppo, Hama, Latakia, and Tartus, according to Syrian state TV. Another 340 injuries were reported in opposition-controlled areas, according to the White Helmets. According to Turkey's Vice President Fuat Oktay, at least 284 people have died and over 2,323 have been injured. According to Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Agency, at least 1,000 people were killed across 7 Turkish provinces. According to the agency, 3,000 people were injured.
Tabii 7.4 yıkım ortaya koyan bir depremdir. Şu anda bütün valilerimiz görevlerinin başında.
Var mı? Hangi renk? Pembe var mı üzerinde? Yavaş yavaş. Allahu Ekber. Yavaş. Tamam sakin.
Yat abla yat.
Yenge yat. Yenge yat. Tamam ben geldim.
Abla iyi misin?
İyi misin?
Hepsini aldım.